If you want to enhance your Netflix account security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device list effectively. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage devices. Scroll down to the Settings section. Look for the option labeled Manage Devices or Recent Device Streaming Activity. Click on it to view the list of devices currently associated with your account. Step 4. Remove old devices. Review the list of devices. Identify any old or unfamiliar devices you wish to remove. Click on the option to remove or sign out of those devices. Confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Change password optional. For added security, consider changing your Netflix password. Go back to the account settings and select Change Password. Follow the prompts to create a new password. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your Netflix account by removing old devices. Regularly checking your device list helps maintain your account's safety.